So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade sprouted wheat flour. So sprouted wheat helps increase the availability of vitamins and minerals, and it is also easy to digest.
At Iphy's kitchen, we show you how to make delicious African dishes, no mistake.
So I'll be showing you a simple way on how to make your sprouted wheat at home. So you will need dry wheat. I'm going to wash this. When I'm done washing it, I will add the wheat into a bowl, pour some water, soak for about 8 hours or overnight. So after soaking for about 8 hours or more, I'm going to drain the water, rinse it. So you can spray out the drained wheat in a bowl, or you can use your sprouting tray to spray it out. So cover and keep in a warm place so that it can germinate in less time. So after about 24 hours, you can notice that the wheat has a tiny sprout. So I'm going to rinse it to remove any smell. So cover it again to continue the sprout process. The wheat has sprouted after 48 hours. So I'm going to rinse it again, leave it to drain all the excess water, then spray it out to dry. You can decide to use your hydrator or use the sunlight to dry it. So I will spray it out and leave it to air dry for about 2 days. You can decide to use your hydrator to dry this or your oven. Just put your oven on a low heat and dry it. So when I notice that the sprouted wheat has dried properly, I'm going to be adding it into the blender and blend into a fine powder. So after blending, use your sieve to sieve to remove any chunks. Please always remember to leave this to cool down before you store it. So due to its higher enzyme activity, it has a shorter lifespan. Store it in airtight container in a cool or dry place, or even in your fridge. Sprouted wheat flour can be used for baking cake, pizza, cookies. It can be used to make pasta or even bind it with other flour. You can use it as a thickening agent. Add it to your smoothie. You can also add sprouted wheat to your breakfast cereals like your oat porridge. So sprouted wheat has a lot of benefits and uses. I hope you try making this at home because it is so cheap and has a lot of health benefits. Thank you all for watching.